Are you a complete beginner looking to make your first $10,000 a month online? If so, this video is tailor-made for you. Most businesses demand upfront investments, prior experience, or years of trial and error before showing results. But what if I told you there are select online business models that you can start with little to no money and scale up to $50,000 per month within a year? This isn't theory. It's coming from someone with over 9 years of experience making money online. Today, I'm revealing 12 beginner-friendly online businesses you can start immediately, even without prior experience. Stick around until the end, where I'll share the #1 business model to kickstart your journey. Business number 1, fastcash.gg. Fastcash.gg is a platform that pays users for simple tasks like watching YouTube videos, browsing Google, completing small tasks. Why use it? No experience required. Works globally, 100% free forever, near instant payouts. To get started, visit the website and create an account by entering your name, email, and password. Once logged in, explore tasks that pay cash rewards, from testing products to daily giveaways worth $3,000. The platform claims to have paid over $3.7 million to users so far. While this won't replace a full-time job, it's an excellent way to earn your first 1,000 plus online without any upfront costs. Business number 2, AI thumbnail creation. With AI tools like Pixels, creating professional YouTube thumbnails has never been easier. You don't even need a YouTube channel. Here's how you can turn this into a profitable freelancing gig. Visit Pixels and describe the thumbnail your client wants. Alternatively, replicate existing thumbnails using the tool's Recreate feature. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to make your thumbnail stand out. People on platforms like Fiverr charge $50 per thumbnail and often have dozens of orders in the queue. Use AI to save time and deliver high-quality results. Business number 3, selling AI prompts. Prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT are in high demand. Use prompt hackers to create tailored prompts for popular tasks. Steps: generate prompts for viral Twitter threads, SEO, or content creation. List these prompts for sale on platforms like PromptBase. Use ChatGPT's advanced tools to customize and refine your offerings. With little effort, you can build a library of valuable prompts that people are eager to buy. Business number 4, faceless. YouTube automation. YouTube automation allows you to create channels without ever showing your face or recording videos. Use AI tools like Story Shorts to generate scripts, videos, and even thumbnails. Optimize your videos for SEO and niche audiences, e.g., history facts or product reviews. Monetize with ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or direct promotions. This strategy can generate traffic and passive income for years to come. Business number 5, meme generation. With Memcam. Memcam is an AI tool that creates memes from images or everyday photos. Create a meme account on Instagram or TikTok. Grow your audience with consistent, engaging content. Sell the account on platforms like Social Tradia for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Memes are a low-effort, high-reward strategy for building an audience. Business number 6, SEO blogging with AI. Combine AI content writing with affiliate marketing using programs like TEU, a competitor to Amazon. Use tools like SEO writing to generate 2,000-word blog posts on trending products. Post the blogs on free platforms like Medium. Insert your affiliate links into the articles for commission-based earnings. TEU offers generous payouts, including weekly bonuses of up to $3,000, making it an excellent alternative to traditional affiliate programs. Business number 7, launch an app with AI. Thanks to AI, developing and launching apps has never been easier. Use free resources like Blueprint tutorials to plan your app. Leverage AI tools for coding, design, and deployment. Monetize through ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Business number 8, digital product selling on Gumroad platforms like Gumroad. Allow you to sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Create your product using AI tools for speed and efficiency. List your product on Gumroad and promote it through social media. Earn passive income from each sale. The future is AI. AI is not just the future, it's the present. Whether it's YouTube automation, meme creation, or blogging, the opportunities are endless. But success depends on taking action today. Which of these 12 business ideas resonates with you the most? Comment below and let me know. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on how to scale your online income.